No.
Good.
I mean, you sweat salt.
How much salt would you need to put into your body to become like a salt person? I'm serious. Like for all of the liquid inside of you to be like.
Who is the woman in the Old Testament who turned around and turned into a pillar of salt?
Lot's wife.
Yes, that's it.
The nameless one.
She doesn't even have a name. She's Lot's wife.
For our purposes, yes.
She did have a name though. They all had
Get out the tweetmobile over there.
Do you Twitter?
The Palm computer.
Do you twatter?
That's why occasionally. Only to get quick live server updates.
I think mine's done. I think it is. Should I take it off or leave it on?
That's entirely up to you. I think it's not even competition anymore. It's just.
Yeah, there's a little welt there.
It's just being stupid.
There's
really. God.
Maybe.
I should abuse my body or my brain, but not both.
Yep.
That's just stupid.
There you go.
I too would like a cigarette.
This is a great version. What is this from?
It's this band called Iron Horse.
Yes.
It's helping Modest Mouse. They do all of their songs in bluegrass style. It's awesome.
Smart guys.
It basically rained on my skirt.
We're still going.
Well, I think it's mostly just done. I think.
Ooh. Damn, your skin's a lot more sensitive. It seems.
I think so.
That's good though.
Get it. It's under the sofa now.
Where is it?
That was anticlimactic.